I found the plan for this mantel clock in the Art of Woodworking book. It is a classic fireplace mantel clock comprised of multiple layers of half-inch wood that are assembled together. It has a face frame that is glued onto a carcass, and there is a piece of glass which is held in place by a retainer wall at the back of it. And then the clock parts are added and then finished at the back with a layer of plywood which has an opening to reach and access the clock parts. The top and the bottom are constructed out of multiple layers of complex molding profiles routed on the router. I used 1 by 8 cherry and milled it down to half an inch for most of the clock parts, except that the retainer was built by milling to 3/8 inch. I first laid out the cut list on the cut list optimizer program so that I waste minimal amount of wood when I'm cutting. To assemble the clock, I first put the glass inside this carcass. I then put this retainer to hold the glass and screw it to the top and bottom. So the clock mechanism goes in next, but the issue I had was the face of the clock mechanism was small for the space shown there. So what I did was epoxied two pieces of wood to the back of the clock mechanism, and then I added another piece of wood to the back of that so that it can anchor onto the top of the carcass. The last piece is to add a plywood to the back and screw it in so that I can access the mechanism.